Okay, Cat, I went to the post office and I picked up this huge box. And I've already cut it open because I'm not very graceful. And we're going to see what's in here together. Oh my. Okay, I got an ornament for my Halloween tree. It's kind of creepy. I like that. Oh, and look at there. That's going to go on my Halloween tree too. Little bats, black and orange. Very cool. I don't know what this is. Hold on a second. Oh, very cool. That is awesome. I love that. Going on my Halloween tree. Aww. Isn't that adorable? Cat Frye sent me this. Not quite sure why, but I appreciate it. Aww. Every woman needs a garter. It's either a garter or a headband for a little kid. One of the two. Y'all can tell I've never done one of these before, so hold on. Oops. Okay, you and I, we're going to look at the exact same time. Because I am not going to... Oh, ain't she beautiful? Look at that beautiful dress. You know, my mom used to collect these. And I have several of hers. I have one named Valerie that creeps out my grandkids. Ain't she beautiful? She's got various hats for it. That's so cute. Oh, this one's got a teddy bear in it. Oh. Look at this ornament. How cool is that? Oh, she even sent me a doll stand. And a little hair ribbon. Very cool. I don't know what this is, but we're going to find out. If I can do it one-handed. Oh my God, isn't that pretty? I actually had a student one time do one very similar to that. Well, Cat Frye, I thank you very much. I don't know exactly what I did to deserve this, but I'm going to do like my mom always said and say thank you from the bottom of my heart for thinking of me. And I'm just amazed. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Happy Halloween, my friend.